Ready there, Koto? Are you ready to dance? Are you ready to sing? Are you ready to have some fun? Can you hear the trumpets? That must mean it's toy time! Horoketato!
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. It's toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time?
It's toy time fun, and when I'm really excited, we gonna have a good time, and you're all invited. We got Tama, Jojo, Ma, Wolfie on marimba, and we got Anika Moore, yeah, we on my cuss. I'll tell me, are you ready to ride? Because they bringing the vibes to you right here on toy time.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time. Maya! Tama! Jojo! Anita! 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. It's toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time.
I'm Tama.
I'm Maya. Ko Jojo aho.
And I'm the cuddliest wolf in town. I'm Wolfie.
Oh, and don't forget me. I'm Oma, the Rāpiti.
And this
is
Mohio.
Tēnā koutou. Welcome to our party.
We're glad you're here.
Stay right there because it's time to kani kani. Tama!
Hey, girls.
Tama, were you drumming?
I was ba-dum, drumming.
You don't say.
I have a great idea for how we should explore music today. Let's start a band.
I've always wanted to be in a band. I play keyboards. That looks like real fun.
Hey, Mohio, what's your favorite instrument?
It'd have to be the guitar. Acoustic guitar. Electric guitar. Bass guitar.
What about you, Maya?
Well, my musical instrument could be my voice. La 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 la.
Well, come with me. But first, please close your eyes. I have a surprise. Right? Okay, come with me. Just there. No peeking, Jojo. Be very careful. Kia tupato. Follow the sound of my voice. Please don't hit that. Be careful, and wait. Jojo! Check it out!
Whoa! Hey, Tama, this is amazing.
Oh, thanks! Look, I just need to finish setting up my drum kit. Look. This is my kick drum. And this is my pedal.
Yo.
See? And when I bang on the pedal, it makes a sound.
Oh, cool.
Also, this is my guitar. But I just need a couple of things. Could someone please pass me the hi-hat and the snare drum? Thank you very much.
Did you hear that? The low notes are at this end, and the high notes are at this end. Oh, can't fight.
Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3.
All right. Kua rite koutou.
Ai, kuarite.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I wanna join a band. I wanna play music with my friends. I wanna join a band. Playing music makes me glad.
I wanna play the guitar. I'll play it slow and I'll play it fast. I wanna play the guitar. I'm gonna be a superstar. I wanna play the drums. I'll play a beat 'cause it's so much fun. I wanna play the drums. Watch my beat make people dance.
Clap your hands to the beat. Shake your hips and move your feet. Raise your voice along with me. Join the band, it's time to sing.
I wanna play the keys. I'm pretty good, don't you all agree? I wanna play the keys. Playing keys is quite a treat. I really love to sing. I'm singing loud and I'm singing sweet. I really love to sing. Won't you sing along with me?
I wanna join a band. I wanna play music with my friends. I wanna join a band. Playing music makes me glad.
Kia ora, it's me, Buzz, back on another amazing adventure. Today, I'm at the drum studio. I'm going to be learning how to play the drums. Come and meet my drum teacher, Stacey. Let's go. Everyone, this is Stacey. Oh! Kia ora, Stacey.
Kia ora, Buzz.
Oh my gosh, this looks so cool. I want to learn so much about the drums. Can you tell me what everything is?
Yeah, this is the kick drum or the bass drum.
Oh, okay.
Nice. This is the snare drum. Cool. These are the toms.
Toms.
Woo! Very good. High five. Yeah. This is the hi-hat. Yep. And you put your foot down there on that pedal. Yep. Cool. And over there you have a ride cymbal.
Can you teach me how to make a beat now, please?
Yeah, I'll teach you a beat. Okay, here we go. Let's do bass drum for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
Nice. And now keep that going. And with your right hand on the hi-hat, play 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah!
I'm doing it!
Yeah! And now with your left hand, and add the snare drum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Yeah! You're doing it!
I'm doing it, Bono.
Yeah!
Oh, yes, we did it! That was awesome. Hey, if you practice really, really hard, you'll be able to do this one day. Tai, rua, toru, fa. sing Cocky Stefano.
With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone.
Ooh.
With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone.
This old man came rolling home.
This old man came rolling home.
That's it. You ready? Ka pai, toru fa.
This old man, he played one. He played knick-knack on his drum. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give the dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played two. He played knick-knack on my shoe. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give the dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played three. He played knick-knack with the ukulele. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give the dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played four. He played knick-knack on my door. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give the dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played five. He played knick-knack on my hive. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give the dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played six. He played knick-knack with some sticks. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give the dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played seven. He played knick-knack up in heaven. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give the dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played eight. He played knick-knack on my gate. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give the dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played nine. He played knick-knack on my spine. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give the dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played 10. He played knick-knack once again. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give the dog a bone. This old man came rolling home.
Hey, you're just in time. Buzz will be here any minute. And we love when Buzz comes to play, don't we? We have so much fun.
Knock, knock.
Oh, that'll be Buzz.
Knock, knock.
Who is it?
Justin!
Justin? Oh, but I'm waiting for Buzz. Maybe Justin will know where Buzz is. Justin who?
Just in the neighborhood and thought I'd stop over.
Oh, it is you, Buzz.
Woo!
You're always tricking us.
Yeah, I know, but that was a good one though, right?
Sure was. What? You're just in time, Justin. Let's go find the others.
Cool. Oh, the party is here!
Hi, Buzz.
Check it out!
Wow.
Now, you're ready for dance freeze, hey?
Dance freeze?
Yeah, when the music plays, you dance, right? And then when the music stops, you freeze. All right? More heel. Can you be the DJ, please? Spin it. Yeah.
Jojo, the music stopped.
Oh, I can't help it. I've got to dance.
Me too.
Me too. Hit it more heel.
Kia ora, everyone. I'm Auntie Anika, and today I'm Auntie Anika, dance instructor. If I kani, then my body is moving and shaking, and I'm having fun too. Okay, follow me. Do what I do. Music! Woo! 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 Woo-hoo! Huh. Dancing is a great way to get some exercise and get your body moving. I'm good. I'm good. Yeah. Woo! Woo! It was fun.
fun.
Oh, but you were really great, Maya.
Thanks, Tama.
Hey, we're playing a hand game. It takes lots of rhythm and lots of fast thinking.
Each person takes a turn calling out a word. We'll show you.
Mā taki taki mai.
Category is fruit,
Aparo.
banana.
Carrot.
Oh, Jojo, a carrot is a vegetable, not a fruit.
Oh, I knew that. It can be hard to concentrate, but I'll really try hard this time. Let's play again.
Ooh.
Category is instruments. Raku raku.
Piano.
Trumpet,
Taramu.
Saxophone.
piano.
Oh,
No!
Oh.
I already did that
Hi.
Hello, my name is Jaewon. I play ukulele. And I play drums.
Hi, I'm Max and I play the keyboard.
Hi, I'm Ryan. I sing and play guitar. Now this is an electric guitar. We're a Star Jam band and we're going to sing you a song. Can you guess what it is? Did you say Twinkle Twinkle Little Star? Yes, you're right. 2, 3, 4. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. Thank you, everybody.
Bye.
Oh, whoops. Sorry, Wolfie.
Oh, kia ora, Oma.
Wolfie, you are great at marching.
Oh, why, thank you. I am the leader of the marching band.
Huh?
See, this is my baton. And when I whistle, whoop, 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 the band starts marching.
Oh, cool. I can be your marching band, Wolfie.
Yay!
Oh, wait. What instruments does a marching band play?
Oh, well, there is the trumpet, burp, 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 burp. Or there's the trombone, bum, bum, bum. Or you can play the big bass drum.
Oh, cool. That's the one for me. Boom, boom, boom. Oma, the bass drum playing rapati.
Okay then. Band 10 hut. Boop, boop. Boop, boop, boop.
Boom, 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 boom.
Well, if you hear your favourite song, why don't you sing along? You can sing la 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 la. It's your favourite song. Oh, I love this song. It's got a good rhythm, don't you think? Well, if you hear your favourite song, why don't you sing along? Yes, you can sing le 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 le. It's your favourite song. Sorry, DJ, do you have any more? Well, if you hear your favourite song, why don't you sing along? You can sing lee 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 It's your favourite song. Yeah. Well, if you hear your favourite song, why don't you sing along? You can sing la 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 la. It's your favourite song. Well, if you hear your favourite song, why don't you sing along? You can sing. It's your favourite song. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thanks. Kia ora.
Look at all these cool instruments we have found in the tile. These pebbles make a great tapping sound. Listen. And you can make this great sound.
Well, I've collected these crunchy leaves. Listen to this great sound.
Ah. Oh, what was that?
Oh, just me and my harakeke.
Hey, let's put them all together.
Oh, okay.
The farmer in the dell, the farmer in the dell. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell. The farmer takes a wife, the farmer takes a wife. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer takes a wife. The wife takes the child, the wife takes the child. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the wife takes the child. The child takes the nurse, the child takes the nurse. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the child takes the nurse. The nurse takes the cow, the nurse takes the cow. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the nurse takes the cow. The cow takes the dog, the cow takes the dog. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cow takes the dog. The dog takes the cat, the dog takes the cat. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the dog takes the cat. The cat takes the mouse, the cat takes the mouse. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cat takes the mouse. The mouse takes the cheese, the mouse takes the cheese. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the mouse takes the cheese. The cheese stands alone, the cheese stands alone. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone.
Hi, everyone. We were just about to read a story because it's story time, and we love stories. When Mum is napping. Afternoon nap time, Nico's mum says, giving him a kiss. Time for a lovely moi. Nico can't keep his eyes open. Nico's mum tucks Nico and Sharky in. The house becomes very quiet. Suddenly, Nico is not sleepy at all. Suddenly, Nico is very hungry. Nico has an idea. a chocolate idea. Quietly, Nico hops out of bed. He sees his mum having a moi on her bed. Very quietly, Nico tiptoes and reaches high to the kitchen bench. He opens the container of chocolate dust. 1 spoonful, 2 spoonfuls, 3 spoonfuls, 4 spoonfuls, 5 spoonfuls. Nico puts the container back and back to bed he goes. Then Jade comes home from daycare and Jade is hungry as a huge lion, she says very loudly. Chocolate milk, please, reminds their mum. Please, yells Jade. Nico can hear the fridge opening, milk being poured, and then their mum finding the chocolate dust. Says their mum. Empty. Nico's mum holds up a dusty spoon. No more stealing the chocolate dust, Nico, she says with a tiny smile. Hungry as a huge lion, yells Jade. Shh, says their mum, reaching into a very, very top cupboard and pulling out another container. Shh, she says. Chocolate milk dust. Shh, she says. Chocolate milk, here we come.
Hi, Edita, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Kakite ano, we'll see you again. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kai and a really good play. Kakite ano, we'll see you again. Tofa soy fwa enohora. Kakite